Hi guys! So for today's video, we're going to talk about itong Happy Skin Kiss Proof Milky Lip and Cheek Tint. It's kind of tiny. Like siglaki lang siya ng palad ko. Hindi ko na-expect na ganito siya compact, you know. And then when you open it, a very simple doe foot applicator. I have the shade Cherry. So isa to sa mga lippies na nabili ko noong nag-sale, nag-5/5 sale sa Lazada. The original price was $3.99, but I got it for $3.19, you guys. That's like sort of kind of almost 100 pesos off. And ever since I saw this online, I've been wanting to try. I've been waiting for a sale to buy one. So yeah, this is what it looks like. Weartest ko to yesterday sa cheeks and then sa lips kasi nga it's a lip and cheek tint. I just want to show you guys what it looks like on the lips. It's not liquidy. Totoo nga yung description na it's milky. Kasi creamy siya. Hindi siya liquidy type of lip tint. Hindi rin siya moussey. Alam mo yan? Iba eh. Iba yung formula niya. It's not the blush I am wearing today. Late ko na na-realize na, oh my god, gagawa pala ako ng video about this. Pero alam mo yun, nakapag-blush na ako and everything. Pero yeah, this is what it looks like on the lips. So, bago ko sabihin yung full review ko, I just want to show you guys the wear test that I did yesterday. Alright, so it's time for my final thoughts. So what can I say about this Happy Skin Kiss Proof Milky Lip and Cheek Tint? And honestly, you guys, I like this. I like this. Una sa lahat, it's very pigmented. Lalo na itong itong cherry. I'm not sure about the other shades, pero itong cherry na shade, yeah, it's kind of nice. Tapos, ano pa ba? Ang komportable niya kasi talaga sa labi. Tapos, hindi siya yung tipo ng lip and cheek tint na hindi nga madaling masyonggality. Ang tanong, kiss proof ba siya? Definitely. Like, right now. See? It is kiss proof, pero pag kumain ka, pag nagalaw siya ng any type of liquid or any type of food, magto-transfer siya, but not so much. May matitira pa naman sa labi mo. And then when it's dry again, it's kiss proof again. So that's good. Tapos, long-lasting siya. Long-lasting naman siya. In fairness naman dun sa Weartest, long-lasting naman siya. Especially this shade, itong cherry. I'm not sure about the other shade. Tsaka nakaka-fresh siya yun, no? Itong shade na cherry. Yeah. Do I like it? Yes. Do I recommend it? Yes. Kaya lang, it's quite expensive. It's 399, well, 400 pesos. I suggest, kung may budget ka, you go try this. Kasi isa to sa pwede mong maaasahan na lip and cheek tint. Oh, by the way, as sa cheeks niya, long-lasting din siya, guys. So, that's one of the pros that I've found out about this. Siguro, antayin nyo mag-sale ulit sa Lazada or kaya sa Zalora. Meron yan sa Lazada, Zalora, and Beauty M&L. Shopee, I'm not sure kung merong Happy Skin sa Shopee. Pero, yeah, I highly recommend that you try this because I really enjoyed it and I like it on the lips and on the cheeks. It's long-lasting. It is kiss-proof, again. Pero pag kumain ka, mababawasan siya, but not drastically. Nakita nyo naman dun sa Weartest, hindi mo masagwa. And you can retouch. You can reapply without making your lips look chaka. So what else can I say? Yeah, that's it. That's all I can say. That's it for my Weartest for today. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you subscribe to my channel and click the bell button for more Weartest. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye.